We really need to get rid of your car.
Why? What am I going to drive?
Listen, your car is losing value by the minute.
Great, but what am I supposed to drive?
I don't know, but we need cash in hand. You can drive my car.
What a firebomb. I can smell the gas from here.
Oh, you're crazy. This offer from CarMax is only good until today. I found a van that you might like, but it's in Alaska. It has low mileage.
Alaska? By the time we get it back here, it's going to have high mileage.
Well, that's not my fault with the convoluted routes that you take. Just do what I say, and don't give me any back talk. And by the way, who died and left you, boss?
I can't take it, you're all over the place.
If it wasn't for me, you would be living in a flop house in Maspeth with 20 kids.
Oh, why don't you just shut the hell up?
Come to think of it. When I met you, you didn't even know the difference between a two-door car and a four-door car.
Well, why was it so important that I know that?
So are you saying you want to be a dummy all your life?
I don't have the energy to argue with you anymore. Just let me know when the plane leaves for Anchorage, so we can go pick up the van you're going to sell in 2 weeks. I'm going to take Maggie to the dog park.